Hello everyone! Today I will make a sweet and sour tilapia, a Filipino fish recipe. Here are my ingredients. My oil for frying the tilapia. I have 3 pieces of tilapia, my bell pepper, carrots, sugar, my ginger, garlic, onions, flour, cornstarch, catsup, oil, vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Now I will start frying the fish, the tilapia. Oops. I guess I will cover this for a while. Hello guys, now I need to fry the tilapia. After I fry the tilapia, I need to make a sauce. Now after I fry the tilapia fish, I will saute the garlic, and ginger. Uh, this is olive oil. I need this. Kind of the little bit. Yeah, this is the sauce of sweet and sour tilapia. I will let this brown a little bit. I'll put salt, taste, and this is the carrots, guys. Carrots, the bell pepper, now I will put pepper, taste for flavor, and this is a 2 cups of waters. I already measure 2 cups of water. And this is a 5 tablespoons of sugar. Oh, I need this. Where's my big of this? And this is 5.5 tablespoon of vinegar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.5. 5.5. I guess I already put this in the, I already measure. I will put 10 tablespoons of catsup. My God, my catsup. I need to put 10 tablespoons. Oh, don't want to come out. My God. I'll just remove this. 10 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I need 10 tablespoons of ketchup. And this is the 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And I'll put this later. Tablespoon of cornstarch. This one. And I put a tablespoon of water. In a while, I need to put it here. But we need to simmer this first. Yeah, this is the cornstarch. Oh, okay, guys. And we'll just stir this so that put it in a low heat. I want to taste it. Oh, uh-huh. And now I will put the fish. Need and now guys, I will put my fish here and cook it a little bit. I have another one there, I guess. That's my sweet and sour tilapia. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you.